Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the stock market right now, FSR, or Fisker Incorporated. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest market trends. What is Fisker Incorporated? Fisker Incorporated is an American electric vehicle manufacturer founded by Henrik Fisker, a renowned automotive designer known for his work with BMW and Aston Martin. The company aims to revolutionize the automotive industry by producing sustainable electric vehicles with cutting-edge design and technology. The FSR stock journey. Since its IPO in October 2020, FSR stock has been on a rollercoaster ride. Initially, excitement surrounding the company's innovative approach and ambitious goals propelled the stock price to highs. However, like many EV startups, Fisker faced challenges, including production delays and concerns over competition. Recent developments. In recent months, Fisker has made significant strides in its journey towards commercialization. The company announced partnerships with industry leaders such as Foxconn for manufacturing and Magna for vehicle platform development. These collaborations have boosted investor confidence and revitalized interest in FSR stock. Key factors driving FSR. Product pipeline. Fisker's lineup includes the Ocean SUV, an affordable electric vehicle with a focus on sustainability and luxury. Anticipation surrounding the Ocean's release and potential future models could drive investor sentiment. Partnerships. Collaborations with established players like Foxconn and Magna provide Fisker with resources and expertise to accelerate production and innovation. Market potential. With a global shift towards electric vehicles and sustainable transportation solutions, Fisker is well positioned to capitalize on growing demand in this market segment. Risks to consider. Despite its potential, investing in FSR carries inherent risks. Competition. The electric vehicle market is highly competitive, with established players like Tesla and new entrants vying for market share. Execution risk. Production delays, supply chain disruptions, and other operational challenges could impact Fisker's ability to deliver on its promises. Market volatility. Like all stocks, FSR is subject to market fluctuations and investor sentiment, which can sometimes be unpredictable. Conclusion. In conclusion, Fisker Incorporated represents an intriguing investment opportunity in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle industry. With its innovative approach, strategic partnerships, and compelling product lineup, FSR stock could offer significant upside potential for investors with a long-term perspective. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and carefully assess your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. That wraps up today's video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Feel free to customize the script to better fit your style and audience preferences. Message chat.